Ah, it's so fresh. This is where you cut to the foot plant shot. Boop. Gonna crash doing the foot planter and sent old boy's bike flying. Typical signature Jimmy Hill move right here. You win some and you lose some, and I just lost terribly. And we have bent the radiator. So now we're trying to fix it, get back out there in this beautiful Icelandic setting, and go find some freaking jumps today, boy. Almost said fucking, but we're gonna find some freaking jumps today. But seriously, this location's a trip. It's like gravel pretty much with hard pack under it, which is strange. But there's mounds everywhere, like it looks like it could be a skate park or something. So, but everything's real flat on the top, so we're gonna try and find something and stack up a lip, make some jumps.